Right, so if A is given by root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2, and B is given by root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 minus root 2, show that A plus B is equals to 10. All right, so since we're just adding A and B, we'll just go ahead and say A plus B is equals to, so what is our A? Our A is 3 minus 2 over 3 plus root 2. We're adding this to B, which is root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Okay, so what we can do here is we can go ahead and add these two by finding common denominator. So the common denominator will simply be the product of the denominators. The denominators that we have here is 3 plus root 2. The other denominator is 3 minus root 2. So if the first denominator goes into the common denominator, we'll get 3 minus root 2. And if it multiplies the numerator, this will give us 3 minus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2. Something. If this denominator goes into the common denominator, we'll get root 3 plus root 2. It multiplies that, we'll get 3 plus root 2 multiplied by the same thing, which is root 3 plus root 2. So now let's do the expansion. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Root 3 times root 2 is root 6. Negative root 2 times root 3 is 6. Then root 2 times root 2, negative, negative, so that will be positive 2. Root 3 times root 3, again, that is 3. Root 3 times root 2, that is root 6. Root 2 times root 3, again, that is root 6. And lastly, root 2 plus root 2 is 2. All this is over. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Root 3 times root 2 will be 6. Root 2 times root 3 is again 6. Then root 2 times root 2 is 2. So now, this is negative, this is positive. Can you cancel out? This is negative, this is positive. Can you cancel out? So what do we have in the numerator? So also in the denominator, this is negative, this is positive. So they can cancel out. So the only thing that we have in the numerator is 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. In the denominator, we just have 3 minus 2. So this will be 10 over 1, which is just 10. So hence shown. Because remember, we're supposed to say show that all this is equal to 10.